Okay, so we now have our marinade made of soy sauce, brown sugar, and garlic powder. So what we're going to do is go ahead and take that chicken and put it in the marinade. We're going to let it sit for about 15 minutes so that the marinade can go ahead and meld in with the chicken. We're then afterwards going to take the chicken and put it on a baking tray and then put it in the oven at 350 degrees for about 15 minutes if you're just working with one piece of chicken. Now, anytime that you work with chicken, I always feel that it's best to wear gloves because you don't want to cross-contaminate anything, and there's always a danger when you work with seafood, fish, or chicken. So go ahead and put your gloves on. And also when you have the gloves on, you can stick your hands right into the marinade to make sure that the chicken is fully covered in the ginger and the soy sauce.